Are you looking for the best rain shower heads? In this video we will look at some of the best rain shower heads on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ophanie Pressure Shower. The Ophanie Pressure Shower seems like a versatile and convenient solution for those seeking a personalized and efficient shower experience. With its dual shower head combo, it offers a range of spray modes, from a powerful massage to a gentle mist. The handheld shower head, featuring 5 spray modes including power massage, rain and massage, rain and mist, caters to various preferences and needs. Whether you're in need of a relaxing rainfall experience or rejuvenating massage mode after a tiring day, this shower system seems to have you covered. The added bonus is the ease of installation, eliminating the need for costly plumber services. It's a practical and customizable solution for a refreshing and enjoyable shower experience for both adults and kids alike. Number 2. AquaDance 7. The AquaDance 7 seems to be a high-quality addition to your shower experience. It boasts a 30-setting 3-way rainfall shower combo, promising the ultimate shower experience. The system includes 2 shower heads, each equipped with 6 full spray settings, providing a variety of options for a customized and enjoyable shower. The patented 3-way diverter makes it convenient to use each shower head separately or both together, giving you flexibility in your shower preferences. The click lever dial simplifies the process of changing from one setting to another, and the Rub Clean Jets feature makes cleaning your shower head a breeze. Not only does the AquaDance 7 focus on functionality, but it also emphasizes environmental consciousness with its water-saving pores mode, particularly useful for saving water in RVs and boats. The product is delivered in a premium recyclable box, demonstrating a commitment to eco-friendly packaging. Number 3. AQwzh High Pressure Rain Fixed Showerhead. The AQwzh High Pressure Rain Fixed Showerhead is a powerful and multifunctional bathroom accessory designed to enhance your shower experience. With a 4.1-inch panel, it boasts 47 self-cleaning nozzles and 19 AQwzh nozzles, making maintenance a breeze. The high-pressure design ensures a strong and invigorating water flow, providing a refreshing shower experience. Constructed from non-toxic and lead-free materials, this showerhead prioritizes your health and well-being. Its elegant chrome finish not only adds a touch of style to your bathroom but also offers anti-rust and anti-fading properties, ensuring long-lasting durability. The 360 degrees adjustable brass joint with a G1/2 brass connection allows for easy customization of the water spray direction while preventing cracking and leaking. Number 4. Ambicasa Luxury Dual Showerhead. The Ambicasa Luxury Dual Showerhead offers a lavish shower experience, combining a 10-large round rainfall shower head with a versatile 12-spray setting handheld showerhead. This dynamic duo allows you to switch between 3 shower modes: rainfall, handheld, and a combination of both, giving you the flexibility to tailor your shower to your preferences. Crafted with a sleek chrome finish, the showerhead combo not only adds a touch of luxury to your bathroom but also ensures durability and resistance to breakage or damage. The choice of multiple chrome finishes not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to the longevity of the product. Number 5. WYRAVIO 10-inch Shower. The WYRAVIO 10-inch shower head is a showering marvel that takes your bathroom experience to new heights. Its 10-inch top head provides a generously wide coverage area, ensuring a luxurious and immersive shower. Crafted with a multi-layer shiny, electroplated finish, this shower head not only sparkles but is also a breeze to clean, staying resistant to dirt and maintaining a pristine appearance. Durability is a key feature, thanks to its construction from 304 stainless steel. This material not only makes the shower head explosion-proof but also rust-resistant, ensuring longevity and a reliable performance over time. The elastic expansion design adds another layer of convenience, preventing tangles and making every shower hassle-free. Versatility is at the core of the WYRAVIO shower head, offering 5 different water modes with its handheld feature. Whether you crave a gentle rain-like shower or a powerful stream, you can easily customize your experience. The built-in pressure boost takes it up a notch, enhancing water flow for a shower that's not only versatile but also powerful and comfortable.